We are very lucky because facility management, together with real estate, is really considered as a strategic role and was promoted as global function back in 2011, decided in 2011 and actually realized 2012. So it is actually the anniversary, 5th year anniversary this year of this global international function that you can't find in many international groups. That Renault is very innovative to have considered that facility management and real estate is that strategic to promote it at the level of a global function. We have business partners inside the group, the company, and it is really organized exactly that, like other global functions, with worldwide presence, worldwide role, and a clear responsibility to put the premises at a standard international level to contribute to not only competitiveness but also performance, and we have the responsibility to benchmark ourselves on regular basis to make sure that we are best in class. Facility managers, we know all the responsibilities that we bear on our shoulders. Like, for example, in factories, we run the transportation service, which is hundreds actually of buses going around the factories to collect the workers and transport them, transfer them up to the factory. So when there's a problem with transport, when the buses are late, or even when there's accident, which is much more important, we can't, the workers can't be on time to start of production. So it is a real impact that everybody is aware of. So this is easy to explain in an industrial company, that if the bus is not on time, the workers won't be able to start the job along the lines on time. But everything is important, like the quality of the lighting, the cleanness of the toilets, of course, all the services that we run. Each of them has a great importance, and they contribute to the corporate image of the company, because when you think about the company, you think about its products, of course, but also you think about the locations, the buildings, the quality of the site, and it's a lot of details we take care of, and at the best price, because we are very limited in terms of budget, so we have to make the best use of our resources, our organization, and really deliver quality services to all the employees of our company. And we're really into quality of work life. It's not only cost and price. Of course, it is very important because we contribute to the performance and the savings of the group, but it's also bringing quality of work life for each of our employees, especially in an international group. We have lots of occasion to travel, and we have to take into account the burden for each of us to travel a large part of the year. Working with HR is also very strategic, because frankly, we could not work without them, but HR couldn't work without facility management. So we very close to the HR colleagues, and we share a lot about what we know about. We try to anticipate. We try to we call a return on experience. We try to be very open, very transparent, because in the end we are both support function to the operations. So the key challenge right now is really to attract some new talents. The company is transforming greatly towards connected cars, autonomous cars, and a lot of technology within the course. And also in some countries, it's not the case in Brazil, because Brazil, the average age is very, very low. It's something like 35, even below, at least in Curitiba, the teams that I met in the factory. So you're very lucky to have such a young and talented young professionals to join the company. But in some other countries, like France, for example, we had some people who were aging quite a bit, and we have run some programs to offer, and people could volunteer to leave the company a little earlier, and that allowed us actually to hire some different profiles, some different talents, and we are right now in transformation of workforce. We compete with Google, we compete with Facebook, we compete even with Amazon, with a lot of actors who attract as well the same young, talented professionals. So not only do we need to attract them, and we also need to keep them, because a lot of them move quite rapidly. So in this situation, believe me, it's not too much to have both HR and facilities teaming up to make our company as attractive as we can. Actually, we have just produced some new standards to take into account the changes in work environment. The work environment is going forward toward a more collaborative space. And collaborative space means maybe a reduced workstation, individual workstation, and more space dedicated to meetings, to sharing, to even informal best practice discussion, and we found out that the atmosphere in the company is much more relaxed, and people like it very much when they can have easy access to their colleagues, that they don't have to ask for a meeting or that. So we go toward much more collaborative space, but it doesn't mean that people don't have an individual desk or cannot isolate themselves to make a phone call. In Brazil, in Spain, in France, in Morocco, in Japan, in Korea, in Argentina, in the United States, they worked quite differently. But since we all belong to the alliance, Renault, Nissan, Mitsubishi, it is very important that people worldwide can find a basis, a solid basis. They can build, where we can build culture, we can build roots, and we provide this quality of work life I was talking earlier. It is very important that our colleagues, both from Renault, Ghislaine, and from Nissan, can take some of the time, to participate to your activities. These associations are a great place to share experience, to meet colleagues, and to have some form of coaching or sharing, and have some quick answers. And it's not a question of calculating, it's a question also of generosity, of giving some of your experience, a little bit of your time. And when you do that and you experience it, and believe me, I've done it for 25 years, actually you get back a lot more than what you've given. We definitely have identified work environment as a lever, to promote, to develop corporate reputation, which means attraction of talents and retention of talents. The work environment is, responsible for, contributing to quality of life and competitiveness of the company, because, having the right people is really something strategic. It's very important that facility management is part of these workshops within the company, and we are not. It's very important that we are not just in execution. even though execution is the basis of what we do, it's because we are very good in execution that people trust us, that people rely on us. We talked earlier that a company can be hurt if there's something wrong running the promises or running the facilities and all the services that we provide. So everything has to be under control and to run perfectly, that's for sure. But on top of this quality of the execution, we need to be included, to be invited into these strategic talks, because our job is very technical, and I don't know many people in the company aware of what it's all about. So when you want to make assumptions and when you want to evaluate different opportunities and projects, it's very important that we participate to these exchanges, because otherwise some other people, they just think they know what we do and they just don't. So most of the time they don't want to reject us. It's not a question of taking us apart, it's just the fact that they don't think that we could be useful, not only in execution but also in anticipation, in assumptions, in building action plans and all that. Job which is mainly relying on people meaning men and women, and it's extremely important to be able to set up an international network. This is my responsibility, which is a global function, and it's very important for each of the professional to participate to all occasions. And it's not a top-down organization, it's really an organization where each local market can bring something to our competitiveness. Brazil is not the last one in having ideas and bringing initiatives and running actions in a perfect manner. So it's really an international group of professionals. We are really enriching each of them by the participation to this collective global function. So believe me, it's our richness is coming from all the individual piece of this global function. So I encourage each professional to really feel part of this strategic global international function.